Good morning, class. Today, class, we will having a experiment in the waves and optics and entitled the reflection of light using a comb. Okay, class. In this experiment, class, we are going to observe how light reflect in a plane mirror. And we are using some materials that are present in our houses. And this will help us to be more aware on the process of light and how it changes through a mirror. Okay class, first step, fix a white sheet of paper on a drawing board or a table. So ito yung gagawin na natin class. Dapat class, puti talaga yung gagamitin natin para sa ating board. Okay, next step. Take a comb and close all its opening except in one in the middle. So, okay class, ganituhin natin yung position nila class. Both side nila class ng comb is naka-close except dito sa center ng comb. Okay class, next step. So, you can use a strip of black paper for this purpose. Hold the comb and perpendicular to the sheet of paper. Next step, through light from a torch through the opening of the comb from one side. Okay? Next step, with slight adjustment of the torch and the comb, you will see a ray of light along the paper on the other side of the comb. Keep the comb and the torch steady. So, ganito yung result ng ating experiment class. So, ito yung class. Okay class, nakita nyo ba? Okay class, nakita nyo ba ito class na ito yung ray of light natin class. Ito yung result class. So nakita nyo ba ito class? Look class. Okay class, next step. Place a strip of plane mirror in the path of the light ray. So lagyan na natin ng mirror class. So tingnan nyo class. Nakita nyo ba yung ray of light natin? Okay class, ito na yung result class kung lagyan natin ng plain mirror class. So nakita nyo ba class? Ito yung ray of light natin class na ganyan. So ito class, nakita nyo ba ito yung ray of light natin class? So ito yun ang ray of light. Okay class, we're done the experiment. So I'll present some parts of the question. So first is object observation questions. Number one is what do you observe on the line? Number two is how does the plane mirror affects the light's reflection? B1 is analysis question. So number one is what do you think of the reason happened during the process? Number two is enumerate the reason. And number three, what is the role of the comb in the process? So B2 analysis question is number one is why does light reflects? And number two is what is the law of reflection? Number three is how important to know a reflection of light. Then the third is the application question. So number one is what is reflection of light? And number two is enumerate types of reflection. So that is the end of our experiment class. Thank you class.
Ano na?